Good morning. A new day dawns, and with it, a journey to a place unlike any other. Today, we're setting out for Antarctica, the last great wilderness on Earth. A land of stark beauty and unparalleled scientific importance awaits. Imagine a continent larger than the US and Mexico combined, a truly colossal expanse of land, almost entirely buried under ice, a frozen world of immense scale and depth. The ice sheets here hold secrets that scientists are only beginning to unlock. Antarctica is remote, mysterious, a place that feels utterly detached from the rest of the planet, and fiercely protected by its isolation and the Southern Ocean, a formidable barrier of icy waters and unpredictable weather. For centuries, it was a legend, an uncharted land at the bottom of the world, a mythical realm whispered about in sailors' tales. Even now, reaching it requires specialized ships or aircraft and careful planning. It's a journey that demands respect and preparation. This remoteness has kept Antarctica pristine, a sanctuary untouched by the heavy hand of human development, a place where nature still dominates, where wildlife thrives amidst the ice and snow and the landscape unfolds in breathtaking vistas. The first explorers faced unimaginable hardships. Their stories are etched in the annals of polar exploration. Ferocious winds, sub-zero temperatures, and the constant threat of being trapped in ice tested their limits and pushed them to the brink. Their courage paved the way for today's scientists, who follow in their footsteps with a different kind of exploration, who continue the spirit of discovery with advanced technology, unraveling the mysteries of this frozen continent. But why does Antarctica matter? Why should we care about a place so distant and seemingly isolated? It's a crucial piece of Earth's climate system, a regulator of global temperatures and ocean currents. Its ice holds a record of our planet's past, a frozen archive of climate history stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. And changes here ripple across the globe, impacting sea levels, weather patterns, and ecosystems worldwide. Antarctica is a natural laboratory, a unique environment for studying everything from the origins of life to the effects of climate change, revealing secrets about our world that can't be found anywhere else, insights that are crucial for understanding our planet's future. It's a continent dedicated to peace and science, a place where international cooperation takes precedence over political agendas, a testament to what humanity can achieve together when we put aside our differences and work towards a common goal. Join me as we explore this magnificent, mysterious land at the end of the Earth, a journey into the heart of the unknown. Let's uncover why Antarctica truly is a home at the edge of the world, a place that holds a special significance for all of us. Antarctica, a land of stark beauty and immense scale, holds about 90% of the world's ice. This frozen continent is a critical component of our planet's climate system. It also contains 70% of its freshwater, locked in massive ice sheets, a vast reservoir that, if melted, would dramatically alter coastlines worldwide. These ice sheets, some over 2 miles thick, represent a geological record spanning millennia. They are a testament to the power of time and the forces that shape our world. They bury mountains and shape the entire continent, carving out valleys and leaving an indelible mark on the landscape. The weight of the ice itself deforms the very bedrock beneath. The East Antarctic ice sheet is ancient and stable, a massive, relatively unchanging feature of the continent. It's a frozen archive of Earth's history, while the West Antarctic ice sheet is more vulnerable, exhibiting signs of change in response to warming ocean temperatures. Its stability is a key concern for scientists. This is because much of its base is below sea level, making it susceptible to melting from below as warmer ocean waters circulate around it. Glaciers flow slowly from the interior to the coast, driven by gravity and the immense pressure of the ice above. As they reach the ocean, they form enormous floating ice shelves, extensions of the ice sheet that fringe the continent. The scale is staggering. Antarctica's ice influences weather patterns across the globe, acting as a giant refrigerator that cools the planet. It also drives ocean currents, which distribute heat and nutrients around the world. The sheer mass of Antarctic ice even affects Earth's rotation, subtly altering the planet's moment of inertia. To understand this complex system, scientists drill deep into the ice, extracting cylindrical cores that hold invaluable information. These cores reveal climate history stretching back hundreds of thousands of years, providing a detailed record of past environmental conditions. These ice cores are like frozen diaries, preserving atmospheric gases and other clues from the past. By analyzing these cores, scientists can reconstruct past temperatures and greenhouse gas levels, gaining insights into the natural climate variability of our planet. Sea ice forms each winter, expanding dramatically and doubling the continent's size, creating a vast frozen ocean around Antarctica. This sea ice then melts back in summer, a vital cycle for the Antarctic ecosystem, providing habitat and influencing ocean currents. Tiny krill thrive in these icy waters, feeding on algae that grow on the underside of the sea ice. These krill form the base of the food web, supporting a diverse array of marine life, from penguins and seals to whales and seabirds. The presence and extent of sea ice also impact global weather patterns and ocean circulation, influencing temperatures and precipitation far beyond Antarctica. Antarctica's dynamic ice is a powerful force, constantly moving, calving, and reshaping the landscape. It is shaping both the continent and our world, playing a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate and sea levels. It's a living record of Earth's climate, offering invaluable insights into the past and present, and it's a key player in our planet's future, holding vital clues to understanding and mitigating the impacts of climate change. The story of Antarctica is written in ice, a story that continues to unfold with each passing year, demanding our attention and understanding. Antarctica, a land of stark beauty and unforgiving conditions, is the coldest place on Earth, a continent defined by its icy grip and extreme environment. Here, at Vostok Station, temperatures have plunged to an astonishing -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, a record that underscores the continent's brutal cold. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the extreme conditions life must face in this region. Even during the brief Antarctic summer, when the sun graces the horizon for extended periods, most of the continent stays stubbornly below freezing. The warmth that we associate with summer is a distant memory here. Adding to the challenge are the katabatic winds, relentless forces of nature driven by gravity. These winds gather momentum as they roar from the high plateau towards the coast, picking up speed and intensity. These winds sometimes reach hurricane force, creating a constant threat to anything exposed on the surface. The sheer power of these winds is a force to be reckoned with. As they whip across the frozen landscape, these winds stir up blinding blizzards, reducing visibility to near zero. These blizzards make travel incredibly dangerous, turning even short journeys into perilous undertakings and amplifying the already intense cold. Navigation becomes a nightmare, and the risk of getting lost is ever present. Antarctica's light cycle is extreme, a phenomenon that further shapes life on this continent. During the summer months, the sun never sets, bathing the landscape in endless daylight. This constant illumination can be disorienting, disrupting natural sleep patterns. Conversely, winter brings months of almost complete darkness, a polar night where the sun remains hidden below the horizon. The polar night does offer one spectacular consolation, the aurora australis, or southern lights, dancing across the sky in shimmering displays of color. However, the extended darkness also brings psychological challenges, especially for those who stay through the long winter months, facing isolation and confinement. Despite being covered in ice, Antarctica is technically classified as a desert, a paradox that highlights the unique nature of this continent. The interior of Antarctica, particularly the dry valleys, receives very little snowfall, making it one of the driest places on Earth. The air is so intensely cold that it holds almost no moisture, creating an environment where even the smallest amount of humidity freezes instantly, and what little snow does fall accumulates over centuries, forming massive ice sheets that hold a record of Earth's climate history. This combination of factors makes Antarctica not just the coldest place on the planet, but also one of the driest, a frozen desert where life struggles to find a foothold. And unsurprisingly, one of the windiest places on Earth, constantly swept by powerful katabatic winds. Surviving in this environment demands extraordinary adaptation, unwavering resilience, and a deep understanding of the forces at play. Every living thing that calls Antarctica home, from the smallest microbes to the scientists who brave its conditions, must possess an exceptional ability to endure these extremes, pushing the boundaries of survival. Antarctica is a true and unrelenting test of endurance, a crucible where the limits of life are constantly challenged. It's a test for nature, for the animals that have adapted to its harsh realities, and for us, as we strive to understand and explore this remote continent. In this land of ice and wind, only the most resilient survive, leaving their mark on this extraordinary landscape. Despite the harshness, Antarctica teems with life along its coasts and in the Southern Ocean. Penguins are the stars Adelie, Chinstrap, Gentoo, and the emperor penguin, which breeds in the heart of winter. Krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures, are the foundation of the Antarctic food web, feeding whales, seals, and penguins. Seals like the Weddell crab-eater and leopard seal thrive here, each uniquely adapted to the cold. Whales, humpbacks, orcas, minkies, and blue whales migrate to feast on krill-rich waters. Above, albatrosses and petrels soar while skuas patrol penguin colonies. Inland, life is scarce, but mosses, lichens, and hardy microbes survive in ice-free valleys. These tiny organisms endure freezing, dehydration, and intense UV proof that life finds a way. Antarctica's wildlife is a testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. Even in the most extreme environments, life adapts and thrives. What draws people to Antarctica? At first, it was the thrill of the unknown. Explorers like Amundsen, Scott, and Shackleton risked everything to reach the South Pole. Today, science is the main reason for coming here. Antarctica is a unique natural laboratory for studying climate, geology, and life in extreme conditions. The Antarctic Treaty dedicates the continent to peace and research, fostering international cooperation. Tourists now visit too, drawn by the continent's wild beauty and wildlife, though their impact is carefully managed. Pilots, engineers, doctors, and chefs support the research effort, making life and science possible in this remote place. Everyone here, from scientists to support staff, is part of the ongoing story of human exploration and discovery. Life at an Antarctic research station is unlike anywhere else. Stations range from bustling hubs like McMurdo to tiny remote outposts. Daily routines revolve around science and survival, fieldwork, lab research, and constant adaptation to the weather. A sudden blizzard can halt all activity, forcing everyone indoors. Living quarters are compact but functional, with communal spaces for meals and recreation. Internet is limited, making contact with home precious. Meals are social events, building camaraderie in isolation. The sense of community is vital. People rely on each other for support and friendship. Challenges abound: extreme cold, dryness, months of darkness, and profound isolation. Yet many return year after year, drawn by purpose, adventure, and the continent's stark beauty. Life here demands resilience, adaptability, and teamwork. It's a unique lifestyle, one that forges strong bonds and unforgettable memories. Antarctica changes everyone who comes here. Antarctica is a scientific goldmine. Glaciologists drill deep ice cores, unlocking climate records that help us predict the future. Atmospheric scientists monitor the ozone layer, discovered here, and study how polar changes affect global weather. The clear skies make Antarctica ideal for astronomy, peering deep into the universe. Marine biologists study krill, whales, and the resilient life in freezing waters, while geologists uncover the continent's ancient past. Research here even informs our search for life on other planets. Every discovery in Antarctica expands our understanding of Earth and beyond. The science done here truly has global impact. Antarctica is a key player in Earth's climate. Its ice sheets reflect sunlight, helping keep the planet cool. Melting ice means less reflection, more warming, and rising sea levels, threatening coasts worldwide. The continent drives global ocean currents, distributing heat and nutrients around the world. The Southern Ocean absorbs carbon dioxide, helping to slow climate change. Protecting Antarctica is about more than preserving wilderness. It's about safeguarding our planet's future. What happens here affects us all. As our journey ends, Antarctica stands out as a place of extremes: coldest, driest, windiest, and highest. Its beauty is breathtaking, its wildlife astonishing, and its mysteries profound. The spirit of discovery lives on in the scientists and explorers who brave its challenges. The Antarctic Treaty shows what humanity can achieve together: peace, cooperation, and shared knowledge. The changes here are global warnings, urging us to act on climate change. Preserving Antarctica is a responsibility we all share. It's a symbol of nature's power and our duty as guardians of Earth. Antarctica remains a land of wonder, inspiring awe and curiosity at the edge of the world.